In building AI application for Archie and Gemini, I learned from three mistakes that I made. The first one is that I was doing logging, the prompt and the model interaction, but those were not rich enough. And in the AI application, the big part of experience is how you are prompting, what is the response structure, and every time a new model update comes or when you change model, you need to have rich logs of what has happened and how you can tweak it. So make sure that you pay enough attention and use tools like Helicon or Langsmith to track your prompts and model interaction. So that's the first. The second mistake was sort of focusing too much on cost management right from the start. In typical software management, you don't generally see OPEX on the day one. But here, when you're writing the code, you are saying that, okay, you are incurring this $1 per thousand tokens and all. And that makes you over index on this cost management. But your focus should always be delivering the value first, like validate your MVP, build the value, and then focus on optimization, like the golden rule of software engineering, which is build the product first, then make it right, and then focus on how fast it is or cost optimized it is, still holds. The third thing I would say is not focusing enough on success metric, and this was true even for Gemini and for here. So in the case of large organization, you need to be very clear that what is your success metric. If it's really aggressive and you are not hitting it, then that makes everyone dejected. Your leadership views the product as not successful, and if you are not tracking meaningful progress, then it's not clear that whether you are making progress or not. So for example, in the RGI, I did spend some time thinking it through, and one of the metric for us was, are we reducing the time users spend on reviewing the PR? So even if they are not paying or the number of seats are not increasing, as long as we are making progress on this metric for the user, it means that we are delivering value, and we should be able to capture that somewhere down the line. Thank you so much. Let me know if you made any mistake and that is worth learning from.